Hello again, everyone. I'm here with another blue bag, which means I'm here for an unboxing of another Chic Sparrow Traveler's Notebook. I'm going to go ahead and get in here. This is not something new necessarily, but it is something sort of a hybrid of several of the new things. So let's see. I'm assuming... Oh, cool. I got a new sticker. It's a little fall sticker. Excellent. I could use some new stickers. All right, I'll put that aside. And I'm going to go ahead and open this up here. So I'm really excited about this one. So I'll go ahead and tell you what this is before I get it out. So this is the Austen Darcy, and it supposedly has character. It has more character than normal, and it's in a B6 Slim Cascade. So I don't know. I know what a Austen Darcy is supposed to look like, but I don't know what they mean by extra character. So let's go ahead and see. Oh, pretty. So this doesn't look like it has too much extra character to me. Let's see. It's a beautiful dark color, that's for sure. Oops, let's see. And let's see, so I didn't put any notes in my order. Yeah, it doesn't really look, I mean, I guess on the pocket here, there's some extra color, I suppose. Yeah, she must have, Jennifer must have high standards as to what, you know, different texture is, because I would think that this is actually something that I would expect to see in a normal run. So let's see. So it's a fairly even color. There is some discoloration, I suppose, like there's a little spot right there, and we've got some lines back here. But other than that, I mean, it's beautiful. So, so it has the Cascade pockets, which are very nice. And other than that, it's pretty standard. So I may sound a little disappointed because I love a lot of character in my notebooks, and to me, I was thinking, oh, extra character, I thought it would have a lot more extra character than what this is, but I still think it's really pretty. And I don't have another Darcy in the B6 Slim, but I do have the Hemingway version, which I think is Ketchum. So I'll have to put these side by side because I don't know that I want to keep both of them. So I'm going to take a look and see which one I prefer. Probably this one, just because I do like the Cascade pockets. But that is pretty short video today. I'm sorry, that's what it's going to have to be, because that's all I really have to say about it. I generally don't change the strings on these because I like the darker strings. And it's just going to be, you know, an all-around nice workhorse notebook. This is a color that I really, really love. I came to Chic Sparrow, I think, shortly after they got rid of the original Darcy Toffee, which this is supposed to be sort of the next edition of that same leather. So I didn't get a chance to get any in the first round of this color, and I really, really love it. It's a beautiful color, and it's very classic and classy, I think. Okay, well, I think that's it for today. Feel free to subscribe and keep track of future videos. Future videos will probably be longer than this one, but that was all I had to show you today. All right, thanks so much. Take care. Bye.